Good night. My name is Armando Peña. I am 36 years old. I'm studying industrial engineer 8th semester. I live in the city of Facatativá. I work for a company called Polar Food. And my anecdote is about the activity I did as a child. I grew up with my grandfather in a year field. There I used to play, work, study, and run. I like to have a lot of fun alone and with other children. I also like to hear my grandfather in the story, sharing beer, cigarettes, helping him sweep the field. From time to time, I took my friends from school to play shuffleboard, and we had a lot of fun and healthy. I also like to accompany my grandfather to make purchases in the marketplace because he always invited me to eat empanadas with soda. Although I do not like with my brother when I met them, I felt very happy and we played all day. We made up any game to be happy and happy. And although my childhood seemed happiness, I was not like that because the time came when my grandfather suffered an illness and death. For me it was a very hard blow because he was my second dad. Because I shared a lot of time and years with him. We loved each other very much, and when we separated, I felt that my life collapsed, and though this happened many years ago, I still miss it, and it saddened me not to see it, only to be able to remember it. Thank you.